Hey guys, let's make some Nigerian chicken stew together. So, contrary to popular opinion, it's always good to wash your chicken before cooking. A tablespoon of salt, some bouillon powder, just 1 tablespoon as well, 2 bay leaves, some curry powder as well, some thyme, and also my favorite, which is the green seasoning, which I think I'll be sharing the recipe with you later. You're also going to be using some onions. And if you know me very well, you know I don't do anything without my habanero. So this is going in as well. And as a matter of fact, because I have like 5 pieces of chicken, so just gonna use 2 of this. And yes, some ginger. So we give this a good mix. Let everything come together. And then we just cover and allow it to cook. Clean up while we allow our chicken to cook. Yeah, so this has been on for like 4 to 5 minutes. So, and that's because it's at chicken. I only eat at chicken, so yeah, this is done. So the next thing we want to do is to just fry it. You could use your normal frying pan and oil, but I choose to just air fry everything. So I'm going to be using my oven air fryer just to save time because we're cooking a lot of chicken here. So the next thing we want to do is just to blend our pepper. So because I like spicy food, I'm using 6 scotch bonnet peppers. But if you don't like spicy food, feel free to reduce the number of scotch bonnet that you use. 8 or 9 tomatoes of this size. And this shredded real bell pepper. So I forgot to add ginger and garlic to the pepper, so I'm just gonna add those. And it's time to make the stew, so we need some oil, pepper. Just pour everything in there. Teaspoon of salt and some bouillon powder. We need the chicken stock, remember? This is going to give it a lot of flavor, so don't ever throw away the stock. Stir it together. Cover and just allow it to cook. And whatever it is, make sure you do QA. Oh, soup is it's getting there. This is the time to adjust your seasoning as required. Okay, I think we're good. And that's it, guys. Our chicken stew is ready. You You can use it to serve your rice, your eba, your amala. You just name it. And if you've made it this far, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.